Listing books on Amazon FBA involves several steps to ensure your products are correctly listed, stored, and managed in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here's how to do it. Create a seller account. If you don't already have one, set up an Amazon Seller Central account. Choose the professional plan for better features. Prepare your books. Ensure your books are in good condition. Clean and repair them if necessary. Books should be free from excessive markings or damage. Create a product listing. Log into Seller Central and navigate to Inventory, add the product. If your book is already listed on Amazon, search for it using the ISBN, title, or author. Select the appropriate listing and choose Sell Yours. If your book is not listed, click Create a new product listing, choose Books as the category and fill in the necessary details like ISBN, title, author, and book condition. Set your price. Determine a competitive price for your book. Consider the condition, market demand, and competitor pricing. Prepare for fulfillment. Choose Fulfilled by Amazon during the listing process. Amazon will handle storage, packing, and shipping. Label your books according to Amazon's requirements. If you are handling labeling yourself, print and attach FNSKU labels to each book. Create a shipment plan. In Seller Central, go to Inventory, manage FBA inventory. Select your books and click Send or Replenish Inventory to create a shipment plan. Follow the instructions to prepare and ship your books to Amazon's fulfillment center. Monitor and manage. Regularly check your inventory levels, sales performance, and customer feedback through Seller Central.